Welcome to Spoken Hindi course by G Master of Manappare. Welcome back to Rehan Haner Spoken Hindi course. In this chapter, we are going to deal with some special words in Hindi used for forming compound and complex sentences. You may be knowing about compound and complex sentences anyhow. We shall explain you. When two or more ideas, two or more actions combine together to form a single sentence is called complex and compound sentences. There are a lot of words, but we will concentrate only on day-to-day spoken Hindi words. Number one, fauran or turant. It means immediately or at once. Let's see for some examples. मैंने खत लिखा, फौरन डाक में डाल दिया. I wrote the letter, immediately I posted it. बारिश आई, तुरंत खेल रुक गया. The rain came, at once the game was stopped. सभा समाप्त हुई, फौरन राष्ट्रगीत गाया गया. The function ended. At once the national anthem was sung. The next word is के कारण or की वजह से. It means because of or on account of. Examples: वह देर से आने के कारण रेलगाड़ी पकड़ ना सका. Because of his coming late, he could not catch the train. मेरी मदद की वजह से उसकी समस्या हल हुई. Because of my help, his problem was solved. पर भी और के बावजूद. It means though or although or even though. Examples: सारे जवाब लिखने पर भी मुझको कम अंक ही मिले. Though I answered all, I got low marks. रोज पानी डालने के बावजूद पौधा नहीं बढ़ा. Though every day it is watered, the plant did not grow. The next special word is agar to. It means if. Examples. अगर आप आगरा जाएंगे तो ताजमहल देखेंगे. If you go to Agra, then you will see the Taj Mahal. अगर आप गरीबों की मदद करेंगे तो ईश्वर आपकी मदद करेगा. If you help the poor, then God will help you. जब तब. It means when, then. Examples. जब बारिश होती है तब किसान खुश होते हैं. When it rains, then the farmers are happy. जब पुलिस आई तब भीड़ दौड़ गई. When the police arrived, then the crowd ran away. जब तक तब तक. It means till or until or then. Examples. जब तक मेरा मित्र आएगा तब तक मैं उसकी प्रतीक्षा करूंगा. Until my friend comes, then I will expect him. जब तक तुम मेहनत नहीं करोगे तब तक तुमको फल नहीं मिलेगा. Until you work hard, you will not reap the fruit. जितना उतना. It means how much or that much. Examples. आपको जितना रुपया चाहिए उतना मेरे पास लीजिए. How much money you need, that much you get from me. वह जितना तेज दौड़ेगा उतना पुरस्कार पाएगा. How much he runs fast, so much he will get the prize. कुछ. It means some. Example. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं. I have some money. वह कुछ कहना चाहता है. He wants to tell something. कोई means somebody. खेल देखने के लिए कोई आएगा. Somebody will come to see the game. कोई भी आदमी इसका जवाब दे सकता है. Somebody will answer this. जहां वहां. Where, there. जहां शांति है वहां खुशी है. Where there is peace, there will be happiness. जहां आप जाते हैं वहां मेरा मित्र रहता है. Where you go, there is my friend. जो वह. It means who, he. जो आदमी ईमानदार है वह सबका दिल पसंद है. One who is honest, he is liked by all. जो लड़की इनाम पाई वह मेरी बहन है. The girl who got the prize, she is my sister. पर, लेकिन, मगर, परंतु. All these four words give the same meaning of but. वह मेरा मित्र है पर वह शराबी है. He is my friend, but he is a drunkard. मैंने उसे बुलाया मगर वह नहीं आया. I invited him, but he didn't come. वह मोटा आदमी है लेकिन बलवान नहीं है. He is fat, but he is not strong. कमला बुद्धिमान है परंतु आलसी है. कमला is clever, but she is lazy. Say, this word has different usages. It has 5 different meanings indicating from the time, from the place, to compare, to tell the reason or on account of. लड़की 10 बजे से लिख रही है. The girl is writing from 10 o'clock. ये रेलगाड़ी चेन्नई से आती है. This train is coming from Chennai. मोहन से सोहन ऊंचा है. मोहन is taller than सोहन. वह आदमी भूख से तड़प रोता है. That man is crying from hunger. उनकी मदद से हमने एक घर बनाया. On account of their help, we built a house.
You